Have you ever wanted to brighten up the dark spots or darken the bright spots in a photo? This technique is called dodging and burning, and it can take your pictures from okay to amazing. And the good news is that you don't have to be an expert to dodge and burn in Photoshop. Here is a simple way to do it with just adjustment layers, which means you can go back and tweak things later. I will walk you through it step by step. So, I've got a photo pulled up that needs some dodging and burning. Do you see how the background is kind of dark and parts of the subject face are very bright? We can fix that. First, we will dodge the dark areas by making the background brighter. Click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the layer panel and choose curves from the menu. Name this new layer something like light. Next, click and drag the line of the curves menu upward to brighten the layer. You don't need to go overboard here, just lighten it up a bit. Now, we will burn the bright areas to tone them down. Once again, go to the adjustment layer and select another curves layer. Make it something like dark, and this time pull the line downward to darken. And here comes the cool part. With one layer selected, go to the image and click on Apply Image. Now you need to make sure that the layer is set to merge, the blending mode is multiply, and the invert option is not selected. Then hit OK. Just like that, Photoshop applies the adjustments. Now we need to repeat it for the next layer we have made. But this is not all, because the dark layer also darkened part of the background. We need to fix it. Go to the darken layer and hit Command and I on Mac or Ctrl and I on PC to invert the layer mask. This keeps your burn adjustments, but protects the already dark background from getting even darker. And we are done. Check out the before and after. I was able to subtly lighten up the background and darken bright facial features for a nice balanced final image. And the best part about using adjustment layers, you can tweak the settings anytime without hurting your base photo. Try playing with the curves adjustments to fine-tune the results. Now you can see why dodging and burning with adjustment is great technique. You have so much control to get photos looking just right. It does take some practice to decide which areas needs lightening and darkening and by how much. Play around with photos of people and landscapes to get more control with the curves tool. Remember, little dodging and burning goes a long way. You don't want anything to look obviously lighten or darken, just enhance the existing ones. Try this quick adjustment layer technique the next time you need to balance out a photo's light and dark areas.